Is there life on Mars? I don't know. I set up a small colony of expendables there. We'll see what kind of life they have. They say there's almost no oxygen in the Martian air, and the pressure's much lower than on Earth. So tell me, no helmet, what comes first? Suffocation or explosion from pressure? Didn't really have time to figure it out, but man, that was freaky. Just like Earth, Mars has its seasons. Average temperature, around minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Though in summer it can reach about plus 85 degrees Fahrenheit, but nights drop down to minus 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Look how fast the laundry dries in this thin air. Beautiful. Wait a second. Is that a well? Are you serious? The groundwater's like 1 mile down. If each turn of the winch pulls up about 3 feet of rope, you'll be cranking for like an hour straight. Come on. Keep working, slackers. Wind and dust. Pretty common up here. And don't you dare tell me a day's only 24 hours. Mars spins a bit slower. 1 day is 24 hours, 37 minutes, and 22.7 seconds. To avoid confusion, Martian days are called sols. A Martian year is longer too, almost 322 Earth days longer. So if you're 10 Martian years old, you're already an adult on Earth, and free to do whatever you want. Hey, stop fooling around. What, never seen snow before? Snow on Mars means only one thing. It's freezing as hell. It forms when carbon dioxide crystals freeze out of the air, and that happens at about negative 193 degrees Fahrenheit. And since Mars's air is 95% carbon dioxide, we might as well grow crops in greenhouses. Hey, wait a second. Get out of here. Hey, you, get lost. Hey, not that way. You mother... God damn it! Houston, you've got a problem. Your Mars rover just demolished my shed, so we took it apart for spare parts. I'd say that's fair. And stop littering the planet, will you? Who's supposed to clean up all that metal junk? We? No. We didn't sign up for this. But you go ahead and sign up below.